Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the latest news and trends shaping the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're talking about a wild ride for Bitcoin and the broader market. The Nasdaq Composite is on track for its biggest one-day percentage drop since March 2020, and it's all thanks to President Trump's Liberation Day. This announcement sent shockwaves through the markets, with U.S. crypto stocks suffering a steep correction. Now, let's talk about how this event is affecting Bitcoin. Bitcoin slipped under $82,000 support, but then rebounded above that level. The largest cryptocurrency has been through worse crashes before, where it erased between 20 and 40% of its value in flash crashes. But what's different this time? Well, institutional investors continued to pour capital into Bitcoin, and whales accumulated BTC, which is a bullish sign. However, Bitcoin traders' reaction to the tariff announcements was relatively muted compared to previous catalysts. The Fear and Greed Index reads 25, corresponding to extreme fear. But does that mean Bitcoin will crash? Not necessarily. Sentiment data shows that whale wallets holding between 1,000 and 10,000 BTC and 100,000 and 1 million tokens have added to their holdings in the last 30 days. This is a positive sign for the market. Whale accumulation is typically considered bullish, but Bitcoin's range-bound price action defies the trend. Bitcoin is consolidating under sticky resistance at the $85,000 level. If there's sustained upward momentum in BTC price, it could test resistance at $85,519, which marks nearly 4% gain from the current level. The next key resistance for Bitcoin is $90,000, and the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the decline from the all-time high to the March low at $93,172. But what's driving the market? Derivatives data from CoinGlass shows that traders are betting on an increase in Bitcoin prices. The long-short ratio on Binance and OKX exceeds 1, which means there are more buyers than sellers. Options volume climbed 71% overnight, and open interest observed a modest 5% increase. So, will Bitcoin survive the crash? Maxim Sakharov, co-founder and board member of WeFi, said that market proponents believe Trump's tariffs are primarily a negotiation strategy, and their effect on businesses and consumers will remain manageable. Adding to the uncertainty are inflationary pressures that could challenge the U.S. Federal Reserve's rate-cutting outlook. But it's not all positive news. Sergey Gorev, head of risk at uHodler, warns that it'll be tough for the cryptocurrency market to show its positive attitude if the decline in American indices continues. The leading indicator of increasing pessimism among investors is the regular updating of the price minimum of the ratio of ETH to BTC. That's all for today's Bitcoin Bulletin. Stay informed and stay ahead of the curve with the latest news and trends from the world of cryptocurrency. Until next time, we'll see you in the bull run.